Hey everybody, my constellation is Canis Minor. The best time to see Canis Minor is early February around 11 p.m., looking toward the southern part of the night sky. To locate it, use Orion as a reference point, and then look a little northeast, and you should be able to find it. Next, we have the brightest stars of Canis Minor. First is Procyon Alpha. Its distance is 11.46 light years. Its spectral type is F5. It is a white main sequence star. The radial velocity is negative 3.2 kilometers per second and has a magnitude of 2.66. Then we have Canis Minoris, which is gamma, has a distance of 320 light years, spectral type K3, radial velocity of 46.8 kilometers per second, and magnitude of 1.7. Then we have Canis Minoris Epsilon. Its distance is 770 light years. It is a G6.5 spectral type, radial velocity of negative 7.8 kilometers per second, and has a magnitude of negative 2.62. Lastly, we have Gomeza Beta. It has a distance of 160 light years. B8 spectral type. It is a blue-white main sequence star. 22 kilometers per second radial velocity, and has a magnitude of negative 0.59. Next slide is deep sky objects. One of the deep sky objects is NGC 2459, which is a possible star cluster which is just south of the constellation. And then we have NGC 2394, which is an open star cluster, which is a little north of the constellation. And then we have NGC 2508, which is a lenticular galaxy, which is again south of the constellation but farther south than NGC 2459. And now we have the mythology of Canis Minor. Canis Minor is almost always identified as a dog that is following the Orion the Hunter constellation. Some say Canis Minor represents the winemaker Icarius' unlucky dog Mara. In this story and legend, Icarius had gotten drunk from wine and then offered his friends some to drink as well. His friends, who had never had wine before, thought Icarius was attempting to poison them all, which kind of scared them. They were a little skeptical. His friends refused the wine, and killed him. Icarius' dog Mara found him dead and went to his daughter. They were both so upset by this event that they both killed themselves. The daughter hanged herself, and Mara jumped off a cliff. To honor them, Zeus placed them both their images in the sky. And then finally, references. For the deep sky objects, I use constellationguide.com. For the mythology, I used constellationguide.com as well. And then for photos, I use Stellarium and then Wikipedia. That concludes my presentation. Thank you.